What's better than making a sale and hearing the sweet sound of when the sound of that means you've sold several products in the one order. In this video, I'm going to take you through 7 secret niches that are guaranteed to explode your profits. Why? Because the orders within these niches are focused on people that are going to buy multiple items in that one transaction. Not only that, but if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to share with you some pretty cool stuff. Not only some killer products that are going to help you sell more items in one order, but sell more high profit products in that one order that are going to extremely explode those profits. Now let's get into it. First up, we've got the bridesmaid proposal gifts. This is fantastic because there's so much emotion baked into what it is we're doing. So on Etsy, I've sorted all the searches by physical items. And if we go over to AOVs, what we can see here is there's some pretty crazy revenues that are taking place with the bridesmaid proposal keyword. So coming through, there's some slippers here. Not sure where you get them, but the one that stood out to me were not only these glass coffee tumblers, but the candles. So here we can see that they're making good money. Now with them, the thing is, they're not just going to buy one. They're going to be buying one for each member of the bridal party. So if we analyze this listing, we can see here that they're doing about 2,600 estimated sales per month. But what everybody's doing is only gauging off the traffic they're receiving. So they're not taking into account the number of orders in that one transaction. So if we take a look at Google, the average bridal party size in the USA is typically around those 4 members. So it's going to be 4 times what we're seeing that revenue at, which is really, really cool. So here we've got some other items that you could sell in this space. We've got the t-shirt in my bridesmaid era. They're selling multiples because they're personalizing each of those t-shirts to them. Same with these ones on the front, the Mrs. Bialek or whatever it is, same deal. But adding an emotional phrase to that is going to help as well. You've got your candles and you've got those glass coffee tumblers. Are you loving these ideas? Then I've got a little something for you. If you would like a list of another 15 niches that are built on multiple products in one transaction, then make sure you click the link in the description below. Next, we have the family reunion. This niche is really cool because sometimes the amount of products you sell in one order is huge. We've done it over the years and had 10 plus products in one order based on the family reunion. Again, by using AOVs, what we can see here is that there's some pretty good money being made. Look at this one, for instance. We've got the gun-loving cousin, the dope cousin. Let's open that and have a look. So this is actually really cool, the way they've actually got the ingredients out. I've seen shirts like this sell very, very well over the years. If we analyze this listing, we can see that they're making about $2,200 a month in revenue. But like I said, we've had over 10 products sold in one order. So you can almost 10 times that, maybe make it 4 or 5 times, and you're still making some pretty decent money on these products. And here's some other product ideas. T-shirts again with some ideas on here. You've got the kids products and you've also got the onesies in there as well. How could you create designs that really, really connect emotionally to the families? This type of personalization was how I was able to do over $200,000 in profit in a few weeks when I first started print on demand. Moving along, the next one is the girls trip. Again, people are so passionate about their friends and family. It makes complete sense that this is another niche worth looking at. And if we go over to AOVs, we're going to see some decent money being made here again. So the coffee tumblers, $52,000 on a product that was launched 7 months ago. One that's launched 2 months ago is making $25,000. Crazy. And we can see here the coffee tumblers, we know they make good money. And here's some product ideas for you. Again, that glass coffee tumbler, towels, hoodies, sweatshirts, and t-shirts. What I love is that there's multiples being sold in that one transaction. This stuff is amazing. Next, friends cruising. So not only do you have the girls trip, but you can niche it down even further. Cruising, camping, bachelorette parties, they're all up for the taking. And again, using AOVs, you can see that they're making really good money. So this product here on the top line, 7 months ago, it was launched, and we can see that they're already making $5,400 in sales. If you average it out to maybe 3 or 4 times that revenue, then you're starting to see some really, really good numbers here. Another cracker niche. cruising, we've sold a lot of products to over the years. And here's some product ideas. You've got the tote bag, you've got the tank shirts, and you've got the t-shirts. But have a look at the phrases on there and see how you can find your own inspiration from that to create your own designs that connect. Maybe even beach towels would be a good one for the cruising crew. And the thing I love about cruising is there's a lot of innuendo and fun you can have with the terms used for sailing. Next, this is more seasonal, obviously, but again, when you've got families involved, a lot of products can be sold in the one transaction. If we take a look at Everbee, we can see that there's decent sales being made. $12,000. Now, given that this is averaged out over the 12 months, not just at Christmas time, you can start to see this money is probably being made very, very quickly and a lot more in this specific period of time. You've got the t-shirts, and we take a look at this listing, we can see this one is doing about $10,000 a month. So given that, again, the season is usually around 6 to 8 weeks, we're going to probably be seeing that up around the $60,000 to $70,000 that they've made. And that's before you actually multiply it by the number of products that are being sold in that one order. And here's some other product ideas. You've got the pajamas, you've also got the t-shirts, the all over printed hoodies, the oversized hoodies, killer idea for Christmas. Hooded blankets, another one, and even hoodies, really, really good stuff. Next, we have the granddaughter niche. The thing I love about this niche is grandparents usually have multiple children that they're buying for at one time, particularly when it comes down to Christmas time. They're going to be buying multiple products for their grandkids. Now, if we take a look at Everbee again, we can see the sales taking place. The personalized graduation, that's a good one. I'm not sure if there'll be multiple being sold into one transaction there because it's more of a specific holiday and obviously people are different ages as well. But the jewelry, really, really good stuff. The pillows, fantastic. So if we take a look at this one, we can see that they're selling it for about $40. We can see that they're making $2,000 a month and it's launched about 7 months ago. So what I love about that, it is personalized and chances are there's going to be multiple being sold in that one transaction. Other products that are really, really good for the grandchild niche, you've got the pillows, you've got the journals, you've got blankets and the jewelry and those acrylic plaques. Each of those have really good profit in there, particularly when they're buying multiples in that one transaction. And then, of course, with the granddaughter niche, you've also got the grandson niche. And if we look at Everbee on that one, again, we're going to see some pretty crazy numbers happening. Scrolling through, we've got the personalized cutting board. Not sure that's going to be the perfect one for it. We've got picture frames. We've also got cuffs. We've also got wristbands. And again, we're seeing that journal there. But hang on, I've got one more. And this one is killer. Team shirts. Very, very cool stuff. So we go to the product analytics on this with Everbee. We're going to see some money being made. Sorting by monthly revenue. We've got one here that's 31,000. We've got the favorite team, which is 4,000. But the one I really am interested in is this one here. The best team ever, because what it does is it really personalizes it. So it's got the team name or job title, but also it could have position name on there as well. Putting their name on the back, that's going to help you really ram up those profits, which is what we want. Product ideas for teams. We've got the personalized water bottles, the t-shirts. Here is where the higher profit products live. So we've got those water bottles, we can personalize those slides. So we're buying them for about $30 USD. You'd sell them for 50, 60. Sneakers, very, very good products. When I launched my sneaker store, I made over $500,000 in a matter of weeks. Absolutely nuts. We've got suitcases. Now, they're starting at a pretty hefty price, around the $150 USD mark. So it'd be interesting to see what sort of designs you could put on there. What I love here, the micro fleece cloaks with Subliminator, I think they're fantastic. The all over print pajamas with Subliminator, the all over print baseball jersey with Subliminator, and these leggings. I think leggings for teams, for brides, very, very cool. Now, if you'd love my personal guidance and the step-by-step roadmap to creating a $5,000 to $10,000 per month print-on-demand business in as little as 2 hours a day, so you can create that time freedom and financial independence, then make sure you check out PodHacks, my coaching program. You can click it with the first link in the description below. There, watch the quick training, and if you love the sound of it, make sure you book a call with my team and I'll have a chat to you over there. Now, if you love that and you do want to explode those profits, you're going to want to know how to design heartfelt, emotional products that make people want to buy when they see it. And to do that, watch this video next.